Moving house means resetting your irrigation mindset to match new microclimates and plant needs. Start by auditing irrigation zones to map which areas serve lawns, establish shrubs, new plantings and containers, and note soil types from sandy to clay because each retains water differently. Check emitter types and spacing so you can calculate delivered inches per hour, and run a catch can test for at least 30 minutes to measure output and spot blockages or misaligned sprays. Set a weather-based controller and program seasonal adjustments rather than fixed runtimes so the system can scale back during cool, wet periods and boost slightly during heat waves. If your controller lacks this feature plan, a manual monthly tweak based on rainfall and temperature trends. Install a FlowSensor at the main line to detect leaks or broken heads quickly and set alerts if flow deviates more than 20% from normal baseline for a given schedule. Reduce watering frequency for established plants and increase duration slightly to encourage deeper roots, while for new plantings, opt for shorter, more frequent cycles to keep root zones consistently moist without waterlogging. Observe new plantings daily for the first 2 weeks for wilting, leaf yellowing, or brown margins, and adjust by either increasing shallow cycles or lengthening run times, depending on whether stress shows as heat wilt or drought shock. Common mistakes are treating the whole landscape the same, which leads to overwatering mature trees or underwatering new transplants. So zone by plant type and run durations accordingly. Relying only on calendar schedules causes problems when local weather shifts quickly, so use a weather-based controller or check and change schedules weekly during seasonal transitions. Ignoring signs of leaks or broken heads wastes water and stresses plants, so monitor flow, walk every zone monthly, and replace or realign faulty components immediately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare services for irrigation audits and system upgrades. We connect contractors with work leads and host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share practical tips on adjusting irrigation after a move.